You're seeing the exact same room where it started with no interior design plan and is now a warm, fully designed home. If you recently bought a home that started completely empty, just white walls, bare floors, and no clear layout, you probably asked yourself, where do I even begin? And wondered what furniture could truly maximize your space, especially if it's a small home similar to our client's 32 square meters floor area. So, this transformation shows you how you can turn that same empty small house into a cohesive, functional, and beautifully designed modern Japandi home with the right strategy from the start. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Let's locate the living area directly at the front portion of your home, right after the main entrance door. The goal is not just to decorate, but to create one strong focal wall and a seating layout without closing the space, using only smart furniture pieces. For the foundation, you can keep the warm off-white paint for a clean base and a flat, clean ceiling with added recessed downlights to create soft ambient lighting. The first major transformation happens on the floor. You replace the raw concrete with light oak engineered wood flooring. It instantly warms the space and visually elongates it. Now bring in the furniture pieces. You might consider a two-seater low-profile sofa that works well for a small living area because it keeps circulation space open. Layer it with neutral base pillows to give you deep comfort for daily use. Instead of a square table that blocks movement, you choose a round wood coffee table. The curved shape improves circulation with equal walking space on both sides, so movement feels smooth and natural. You can style it with 2 to 3 pieces that connect to your materials and mood, like a ceramic sculptural vase and a coffee table book. Place a ribbed area rug to define the seating area without building walls. It connects the sofa and coffee table together so they feel like one composition instead of floating pieces. Don't leave your walls empty. A set of 2 minimal abstract wall art pieces is enough to create neutral tones that support the design. You can place a fabric shade floor lamp to visually fill the empty corner while softening it with warm lighting. Since your space was dominated by hard surfaces, add a medium indoor plant in a neutral planter for natural softness. If your window looks bare and exposed, hang full-height layered curtains to filter natural light during the day. Instead of treating the stairs and TV as separate parts, combine them into one continuous entertainment feature wall. Turn the stair wall into a vertical feature element by installing a full-height marble-look wall panel paired with warm vertical wood paneling. This instantly transforms the blank wall into a dramatic backdrop. Let the wood continue through one entire wall using full-height wood laminate cladding. This removes the plain white emptiness while keeping the design clean and minimal. For the TV wall base, install vertical wood slats to create texture paired with the marble look panel where you can mount your smart TV. Add a wood slat TV console that integrates your TV and storage into one feature wall. Then style one side with an oval backlit decorative panel with a slim floating shelf, creating layered accents. If you look at the stairs and TV wall, you can see the repetition of materials. This ensures the design is noticeable, but not overwhelming. Overall, it's about creating connection between every element so your space feels calm, elevated, and designed. The total estimated cost for the furniture pieces and layering accents is approximately $3,000 to $3,200, and similar products can be found in the product tags. You can position the dining area between the living space and the adjacent zone, making sure it does not block the main circulation so your layout feels natural and efficient. Instead of feeling like a small zone, you can install a wood-framed full-height mirror. This works well in tight spaces because it makes a compact layout feel wider, and it enhances lighting without adding more fixtures. Position your wooden dining table centered against the mirror, leaving balanced walking space on both sides. You can choose slim wooden chairs with light fabric cushions. Because the chairs have slim profiles, they don't crowd the space. You can tuck them neatly under the table to maintain circulation and pull them out comfortably without interrupting the walking flow. Place a simple vase with flowers at the center of the table. It adds life and softness without cluttering the surface. You now have a balanced Modern Japandi dining zone that has its own identity. You can achieve this for only approximately $600 to $800. For the kitchen and laundry area, the goal is not just a simple working space, but to create vertical storage, visual lightness, and material continuity with the living and dining areas. You create a compact yet efficient L-shaped kitchen that maximizes vertical space. For the material, you can use a quartz countertop with gray veining, extending up to the backsplash to instantly brighten the area while keeping the look clean and modern. One counter is dedicated to the washing area, while the other is for cooking. Then you can use warm wood base cabinetry to introduce warmth and balance. The wood base visually grounds the kitchen, while the flat panel design keeps the Japandi aesthetic minimal. No heavy handles, no unnecessary detailing. To balance the warmth, light upper cabinets with a built-in dish storage rack are installed. This allows you to maximize vertical storage instead of spreading clutter across the countertops. Install warm white LED under-cabinet strip lighting to provide proper task lighting for chopping, cooking, or washing. The same light panel material is used for a full-height side cabinet with open and closed storage, maintaining material consistency throughout the space. You stack the washer and dryer vertically inside a dedicated cabinet niche to maximize floor space. This keeps circulation clear and efficient. Above them, you can store laundry accessories, ensuring functionality without adding clutter. If you still have an empty space at one end of the counter, you can turn it into a functional design feature. You can install a custom full-height storage system featuring a full-height wood slat panel door. When opened, it reveals ample storage where you can keep small appliances and even extra pantry items neatly tucked away. Another feature is the built-in wine grid, which organizes bottles horizontally, paired with a hanging glass rack that allows your wine glasses to hang neatly below. This saves cabinet space and keeps your glassware accessible when entertaining. For the large niche below, you can customize the dimensions to fit your refrigerator, so it blends seamlessly into the vertical composition, making your kitchen feel organized and intentional. When you look at your kitchen now, you don't just see cabinets and appliances, you see a space where every element works together, making your kitchen organized, cohesive, and intentionally designed as part of your modern Japandi home. When you look at this home now, you don't just see separate zones, you see one connected design story. Your space is no longer just functional, it's intentionally designed. You can achieve this same modern Japandi transformation by focusing on connection, repetition, and smart layout decisions in your own home. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.